Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I'm doing this green lantern with animation in the hands. As you can probably notice, I'm using code pen, and in my HTML file I don't have much, but in scss I have all my colors predefined and my red border. Now I'm going to comment it. As for the colors, I found this gradient background color in this page that I will link in the description box, and it has some very modern colors. Now you will see me using this tool, which is called Clippy tool, and it helps you make some shapes that of course you can do it with CSS, but it's easier to use this tool. So now I'm going to start writing all my classes in the HTML file, and the first one will be the face, and inside the class face I'm going to have my hair, my ear left and ear left inner, and then the same for the right ear. Alright, now I'm going to continue with the cheek. I give the name pink left and pink right, but you know, just the cheek. Now for the face, I'm using position absolute, top, left, width and height, which is pretty much the usual ones. And now my border top would be the solid 30 pixel with the color brown, and the same for the left, but the pixel here will be 1. And I'm using this just to have an effect for the hair. In this way it's much easier. And now for the Clippy tool, I'm going to add in my hair this shape. Of course you can do whatever you like, but I think that this is a little bit more realistic. Now for my ears, I'm just going to adjust everything, and now I want the right ear will be the same. Be careful with the border left or the border right. It depends on your ear. And now the inner ear will be the same. As for the cheek, I want this pink color, and also the border radius is 50%, so it's quite easy to make. Now I'm going to continue with the mask in the eyes. So I want the mask, and then I'm going to do the eyes, the left and the right one, and again for the eyes I'm going to use the Clippy tool. Make a shape that looks like a mask. It can be whatever you like. For me it's this shape. I have to make it right. Okay, now we're getting closer. And as for the eyes, I think I want them to be white, and then I'm going just to use the trapezoid. I'm not going to make any change. My left and right once again will be the same. Alright, and now I'm going to continue with the mouth. A half circle, I think it will do the trick, but of course you can make it more realistic and do it like another shape. Okay, and now I'm going to continue with the body. In this project the body is very important. As in the face I didn't give many details, but now in the body I'm going to give some details like the abs and the lines in the abs. Let's start with the body now. Again, use the Clippy tool and to make a shape for the upper body. Then we will do the legs and the hands. I think that I like that, and border radius 30% is perfect. Okay, for the chest, I think that I'm going to use something like a half circle. You can adjust here the border. I mean, I will use border bottom of solid 2 pixel black, and this is going to look like a half circle. The color is none. I don't need any color, but you could use a green color. It will be the same. Now for the lines in the abs, you want a very small width sorry, height. Your width must be almost 100% to be inside this circle. Alright. Okay, that's it. And now I'm going to continue with the badge that it will be in the middle of our body. Not in the middle, maybe in the top. And I'm going to divide it in badge top, bottom and middle. Once again, I'm going to use the clippy tool for the badge, whereas the hands and the legs will be pretty simple. Alright, we're getting closer now. The badge top will be a weird shape that I'm going to adjust with the clippy tool. It's just a trapezoid, but with a big width and small height. And I'm going to do the transform rotate of 180 degrees, whereas in the bottom top I'm going to have the opposite. And for the opposite I don't need the transform rotate. So an important thing here is to use the transform and then the rotate property to rotate your class. Of course, the rotation is from 0 to 360 degrees. 360 degrees, sorry. Okay, now the hands. For the hands I need a border, but not a color, so my background will be none. I have a border radius of 50, and then I have a top, left and right border of 35 pixels. And now I'm going to have my animation. Okay, first let's write the leg class, and then I'm going to write the animation. Nice, nice, nice. Okay, that looks weird and funny, but I'm going to fix it. Okay, that's better, maybe a little bit smaller. And of course, okay, now that's nice. Let's write the animations. First, for the hands, I'm just going to have 0, 50 and 100%. And once again, the rotation will be from minus 10 degrees to 10 degrees. And you can make it for some seconds, or you can do it infinity. Here I think I'm going to do 43 seconds, and this is for the legs. So I hope you liked it. Thank you.